Hello birds, good morning. These birds, um, they were, when I came, their mom and dad were here. And then they gave birth to these little beauty kitties. They are still here. As you can see, they're about to flew out of the nest. I've been shooting them every day. Every other day that I see them coming out, there they are. I'm sure by tomorrow or by Monday, they will be out of this place before I remove their nest. See how cutie they are? And this is Ashalobuche, Accra, Ghana. You see how cutie they are? Wow. There. Right there. Hello, good morning, birds. How cute you are. Now, don't kill your bird nest. Don't destroy your bird nest. Let them be in peace. You can see? They are at peace. Humbly. Doing their own thing. That's it. Brother and sister, or sisters or brothers. I leave you in peace. Today is Wednesday, 8th of November, 2023. But I will see you tomorrow. Ciao.